Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of Pokemon TCG Pocket so you can get unlimited Pokegold 2026. So keep watching, I'm going to show you guys how to get it. Alright, so I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, very low Pokegold, but when I press this I can add unlimited. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So as you can see, I've only got 2,900. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Pokemon TCG Pocket hack so you can get unlimited Pokegold. So let's see if it increases, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, it's very low. So let's see if it works, and then we're going to be good to go, and there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works in iOS, Android. So let's get straight into the video. So just go to your browser and type in this website. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, just type Pokemon and it should come up. So press on it, press download. Before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So at the end, it's just going to say I'm missing files. So I just got to download some of these apps, and then I should have the Pokemon TCG Pocket hack. So we got like Travel Town. This one's like download, reach level 10. So it's like a game. So just got to play through it. Then we go back, see what else we got. So we got Reco Social. You know, there's tons of apps. So just do 2 of them. Then you should have Pokemon TCG Pocket hack on your device. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.